Hello everyone, my name is Andi Arnaisa binti Andi Arnis. My metric number 148634. I am third year student from School of Education. Today, I want to talk about one topic that is mental disorder, which is DID. Dissociative Identity Disorder, DID, previously referred to as multiple personality disorder. It can characterize as a presence of two or more identities or personalities that control over the person's behavior. Each personality has their own postures and different way of talking. In fact, I choose this topic because DID is really rare and it can be happen at any age, gender, and race. It can be happen to our friends, family, siblings, and maybe our partner. There has a statistic that shows females are more likely to get DID compared to male. Oh yeah, before I forget, did you know Split the movie? Yes, it is about a man who suffered DID and he was so creepy. He has about 23 identities and the most scary identity is when he became a part of the monster. Before we started, I would like to explain some factors that cause this DID. Firstly, a history of trauma is a key feature of DID. About 90% of the cases of DID involve some history of abuse, either emotional, physical, or sexual abuse. For example, in the Split movie, Kevin, who was abused by his mother, retreated from reality and created many other personalities to help protect from his mother. DID also happened due to accidents, natural disasters, war, and the loss of loving persons that become factors in developing DID. The most common symptom of DID is when they may experience amnesia or they are unable to remember some important events or facts. For example, when Kevin switched to other identity such as Barry, he forgot everything about who is Kevin really are. The next symptom of DID is the changing levels of functioning from highly effective to disturbed or disabled. For example, when Kevin switched to Hedwig identity, he became a boy of 9 years old that clingy and not really effective, which totally different with other characters of other. The next symptom of DID is when they feel the surrounding environment is foreign, odd, or unreal. For example, Dr. Fletcher, who is diagnosed Kevin, was killed by Patricia, which is other identity of Kevin. Patricia feel annoyed and not uncomfortable with Dr. Fletcher that keep asking questions to him. In my conclusion, DID can be a very problematic and complex disorder and there may never be a cure-all for this disorder. With the proper treatments such as psychotherapy or psychosocial therapy, help from healthcare providers, positive support from family, friends, member, and our partner maybe this DID might be controlled. Lastly, the most important is we should not treat differently the person who are suffered from this DID. So that's all from me. Thank you, and if you have any questions, you have just ask me, okay? Bye bye.